The automobile reigns supreme this time around.
Right next to a turkey, AAA is projecting busier roads for Thanksgiving and 50% decline of travelers at the airport. Welcome to the news at 10 on this Monday night. We begin with the big reason for that drop. You guessed it, COVID, the virus surging here and across the nation. Medical experts urging folks to celebrate safely. But the recommendation isn't stopping millions of Americans and a couple 100,000 Idahoans expected to travel. Our Joey Prechtel is tracking this story for us tonight at the Boise Airport. And Joey, reports are they are expecting a robust travel season despite the pandemic.
Yeah, Mark, but because of the COVID-19 pandemic, AAA is expecting Thanksgiving travel to drop off about 10% compared to 2019. Now, this is the largest one-year drop-off in more than a decade, but even with that drop-off, Thanksgiving travel is still expected to be busy. Spokesperson for the Boise Airport, he says year over year, air traffic is down nearly 50% because of the pandemic, and it will be more of that for what is normally one of the busiest travel periods of the year.
It's nowhere near those 2019 levels, and we expect Boise Airport to mirror the trends happening across the nation.
AAA expects around 50 million Americans to travel. Around 266,000 Idahoans will be making up that group.
95% of them will travel by car. People want to have that personal bubble, but the truth is even that this year may not be enough.
The last time Thanksgiving travel dropped off this much was in 2008 during the Great Recession. But this year, the drop is due to guidance from health experts who say it's not safe to spend Thanksgiving with extended family and friends.
That's the main reason that people are pumping the brakes and saying, maybe I need to stay closer to home.
If you are flying out of the Boise airport, though, a couple things to keep in mind. First, masks are still required and a face shield won't cut it.
When you are in the terminal, going through the TSA checkpoint, boarding an aircraft, and when you're on an aircraft, you're required to wear a mask throughout the entire time.
People should also try to social distance, whether it's at a security line or baggage claim, practice good hygiene, and try to arrive early because things may not move as quickly with COVID-19 precautions in place. Now, the weekend before Thanksgiving is usually the busiest, followed by Tuesday and Wednesday before, but like the rest of 2020, expect the unexpected.
That's a typical year. We don't know what it's going to look like in 2020.
Now, access is also limited to the Boise airport under the city's health order. Essentially, you're only supposed to be in the airport if you are flying or if you're accompanying someone that is flying. If you're picking someone up or dropping someone off, they want you to do that all curbside, outside. They don't actually want you to enter the building. Now, if you're planning on driving to your destination, if you're planning on hitting the roads, then AAA is projecting tomorrow night to be the busiest day for that. Back to you.
And with gas prices as low as they've been in the last 5 years, a lot of people are expected to hit the road. Joey Prechtel reporting live for us at the Boise Airport. Joey, thanks.